Hey, hi everybody. You're probably all wondering, what am I doing now? Well, I did a review on S100 engine brightener, and I had a few people asking me if silicone spray lubricant would do the same thing. And I did some research. I found a couple guys saying it's the same, but that's about it. Didn't find a whole lot of information on using silicone on your Harley engine. So I decided to give it a shot. So here it is. This is a review on whether silicone lubricant spray is going to do a good job on your black paint on your Harley engine. I've already did this side, and I gotta tell you, not impressed with it. I mean, it looks better than what it did before, but with this stuff here, it gives it a nice dark, rich look to the black paint. Silicone does not do that. Using a brush now, it makes it easier to spread this out. I use the S100 once a year, and it does a great job, man. The silicone, I don't know, it doesn't look super black, nice rich color, you know? The only thing I can say is when you spray the silicone on this, is it's easy to wipe off the chrome and stuff. You just keep using clean cloths, it comes right off, not a big issue. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Alright, there it is. The lighting's not perfect in here, but you get an idea what it looks like. Alright, so silicone's on the engine. My overall opinion of the silicone is it's not worth it. I paid $5 for this can, $4 and change, and all the work you got to do to get this on there, applied on there, for $5 more. I think you're better off using the S100 or the Harley brand. Definitely makes the bike look so much nicer versus using silicone. I don't even know if this is going to last, because right now it's got that look to it like I didn't do anything to it. So I don't know. I found a couple guys saying this is the same stuff, blah, 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 but obviously it's not. Silicone is not the same stuff as S100 or the Harley brand. All right, I'll give it a month, and then I'll come back and I'll let you know what my overall opinion is of applying silicone to the black paint on your Harley engine. Bye-bye for now.